Hello everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm here to show you my 9-inch right here. This is my 9-inch Springform pan, and this is my 7-inch Fat Daddio, okay? Now, I want to show you what's going on with this. As you can see, well, the Fat Daddio here is it's 3 inches tall. And I think that this one is about maybe 4 inches tall. It's just a little bit taller, but not a lot, okay? It's really not a lot. So this one here will fit in your Instant Pot or your Ninja, anything, or those little appliances that we all may have in the house you want to bake in. This will fit in it. This thing fits in that kind of an appliance. Also, it'll fit in your stove very nicely. So I have 2 of them myself, and they're each 2 inches, 2 by 7, 7 on the top, 2 inches. So this is a 4-inch cake. 3 inches and 3 inches. So it's a 6-inch cake by 7 up across. So you can make a nice tall cake with this if you like, whether it's in the oven or whether it's in your appliance that you want to use. And then this one is a tube pan. Now this tube pan here has this lip on it, which is kind of good. So whatever is going to come out of it is going to sort of, come into this lip thing here, which is kind of good. It's easier to handle in that sense. And I'm going to open it up and just take it off. And of course, if I was making cheesecake, that's how you do it. You just release the cheesecake. Or you could just really bake a regular cake in here. It's a 9-inch cake. It's a 9-inch pan, and it's taller than the normal pan. So it's a normal pan, maybe 1.5 inches or something like this. This is at least, I think it's between 3 and 4 inches on this side. So if you was going to make a cake, just one piece, you may want to use this for that. Okay, each appliance or each one of the pans and baking pans, they do different things. That's why I have a lot of them, because they do different things. So you might be looking for something like this, which is the Fat Daddio, or you might be looking for something like this, which is a nice cheesecake, and you can make a real nice one for the holidays coming up. Either way, the holidays would be good with either one of these bakewares.